Yo, what's up from the Czech Republic? Actually, just in the border between Poland and Czech. We are going to have my birthday lunch because today I turned, unfortunately, 33-year-old. And as always, we had a trip.
Happy birthday, kochani.
Dziękuję,
So,
dziękuję.
we will have a lunch. Actually, in the Czech Republic, especially, we are in Mała Upa.
Mała
So,
Upa.
yeah, we'll show you what we'll eat. But first of all,
It's cold actually out here. It was hot in Poznan.
skirt like this. I thought it's gonna be hot like in Poland, but
Well, we are in the mountains, obviously. Okay, let's have a lunch. So we're going to this place because they have a kofola, obviously. So we have to go. By the way, this is like a mountain, small village actually, just in the border, Karkonosze mountains. So people mostly coming here for the hiking. Even with the kids, they have a special trolleys. And there are also some hotels and stuff. Border is there, literally where this box is there. There is the border in Poland. And we are going actually here for lunch. Later we'll show you around. So we came actually here for kofola. Look at the big jar of the kofola, what we got.
so big.
We're gonna order the goulash. We're gonna show you the place, everything. Okay, just regular trip for my birthday. You know, I cannot stand at home. I have to go somewhere.
So when you are in the Czech Republic, it's famous for the beer. So we are in the brewery, right? Kayaknya this is how they make the beer, no? No. So the restaurant and the brewery is just like this. This is nice. Very interesting. And the restaurant is looking like this. Nice.
Cheers, kochanie. Kofola, cheers.
Our food is arrived. Smacznego, kochanie.
Dziękuję, sayang.
100 lat, kochanie. He's shy. So we order goulash. Look like this. Smells so good with the bread. Knedelki. Knedelki, tak? And kofola. Originally from the Czech Republic. We travel 100 kilometers just for this
260.
one. 260 and for your birthday as well. Smacznego.
Dzięki, sayang. Sayang? Co robisz?
I bought one before because Czech is famous for the beer.
Yeah, really nice daughter-in-law for my papa, no? And look at the bottle of this beer, it's actually so funny.
Hey, come. Look at that.
So cute.
During the winter.
Tak, during the
They
winter.
have a different sapi, no? Which is tam
Where?
over there.
Where?
Tam, the brown one.
Not like I zoom it for the people. Yeah, they have a different kind of cow there. Their houses. They have like a little ski here. You can skiing around, people hiking now. It's nice actually. And look, this is also very nice house here. It's like a very, very cozy little small bordering village actually, but we really like it. I don't know why. Well, last year we came for Śnieżka, right? For the climbing, I mean the cable car. And we just passed it here. We bought the postcard in this post office. It's just very nice, cozy vibe. It's actually very quiet. We're gonna go to Karpacz later in Poland actually side, so we'll be busy, and here is quiet. Winnie wanna go to the border, but she's sitting in the car already there because she said she's gonna get a masukangin. It's cold for her, and she didn't dress for the actually, like what I wanted to say. Or she don't dress for the weather like this because it's 30 degrees in Poznan. I will show you the map where we are actually before we go back to Poland. So the mountains and stuff like this one, and then there is the map actually, in case if you're interested. Actually from this map you cannot read much. However, yes, this one where we are, right? So here, this is the border with Poland actually, the yellow line with this one. And this is the Śnieżka, also the mountain, 1,600 meters where we go last time. So from the Polish side, actually, from Karpacz, where we're going now, you can climb if you want, have a trek, or you can come to Czech Republic and take a cable car. Or you can do, well, like this. You could technically, like, if you have somebody who will drop you here, you can go by car and go back down, let's say, or something like this one. That's it. Parking is 50 Czech koron, by the way, per hour.
So this is actually the border between Poland. Here is Poland part, and that's the Czech Republic part, and that's the sign Česká republika. So
Yeah.
it's actually,
Tam.
you know, you register that one, the button one, white. This is from the Poland side, P, and from that one, C, Česká republika.
That's
It is
it.
only,
Like this. You just don't even see us there.
if you don't know the border probably. I don't know what to say. You know, like.
You could pass it, don't even know it. And the Czech people coming actually to Poland. And otherwise,
Coming to Czech. So
for lunch.
Okay, so now let's go for a coffee in the Karpacz area.
Actually, we pull over because there is nice view behind us. Yes, I am. And there are nice flowers actually also.
Yes, and the mountain crisp air, fresh air. It's really nice, you know. No traffic jam, no air pollution, and the most important thing is that happy birthday, kochanie 100 lat!
Dziękuję. Okay, I will show you a little bit around. This is like a road. You can park legally here actually. Where is the spot to park it actually? And this is actually very nice view behind us. So
You
cool.
can go down, no?
And there is like a trail down there, and there are some nice flowers. Let's go down, find the flower, yeah? We'll show to the people and Mama actually because she likes flower. Do you like flower?
Yeah, we am.
And you can hear the sound of silence here actually. Sound of silence. Only birds and the wind. But summertime like this. Okay, let's go. And actually you can walk like this one on the small trail, looking for the nice flower like this one. Don't know what sort of flower is this. And a nice view like this. And serenity of the calmness here. And you can walk like this one, so cool. Of course we're not going, we just park the car down there, up there actually. All a nice flower here. Show you a little bit around. Winnie first time asked me now, when we were here actually, if there are bears around here. Brown bears. And will eat you.
That's what people imagine about Poland and Czech Republic. You know, in the mountain there must be a big bears. A polar bear.
Polar bear. But meanwhile, very nice natural. And this flower is actually so cute, no? Sayang, where we are now?
We are in Karpacz.
Karpacz. Karpacz is one of the kind of famous city in Karkonosze Mountains, popular for the tourist destination. As you can see, a lot of tourist thingy here. Oh, they have a camels, huh?
Like a time zone.
Yeah, like a time zone, stuff like this one.
And
So-
the thing is that in the area of Małauka is actually not many tourists are here in Karpacz. Many.
No tak, this is very tourist city. During the summer something is going on. During the winter is actually more people here. Because obviously a mountain, so for winter stuff. However, during the time like this one, still something going on. The barbecue place and the machine. Let's see if we can find the labubu here, sir.
And Polish disco polo already on.
Polish disco polo on. Alright. In case if you'd like to come here for holidays, you can find actually Mercure Hotel here. I think it's pretty new. And many other smaller hotels like this one. And the mountains in the background. Ice cream. That's how does it look like here. Last time we have a coffee and ice cream here some time ago, last year. Now we are going more further. Actually, looking for the coffee place anyways, but not the same time in the same place. Some people walking, some places to stay, some places to eat. There's some church also here, some park. There's also like one of the oldest Norwegian church here, no? We read something like that. This one. Nice flowers.
And one thing here is the tourist city, let's say, it's clean. Tak, kochani?
No tak.
It's clean.
Everywhere in Poland is actually clean.
Yeah.
So actually we're going now to the walking street with so many restaurants and everything, right? Yes.
The mountain house, no?
Which one?
Like this one.
Yeah, this one is typical mountain house. That's the typical mountain restaurant like this one. One side is restaurant, on the other side they are pamiątki, which is the merchandises. Then the church. Souvenirs, yes. That's a good business. One side restaurant, one side souvenirs, and probably a little hotel inside. So there is the church, actually. And on the other side, there is also something. Peaceful summer vibe in the mountains. Actually, in the mountains, it's pretty quieter compared to the water where we were last week, no?
Many people, are going to the Baltic Sea, because that's the season to go there. But
No.
mountain also nice.
Mountains also nice, I have to say. Actually, pretty enjoyable. Weather is actually nice. I could say the weather today is better than last week in the ocean.
Yes.
See, actually, why I'm walking here, I just realized the second time, as this is the similar vibe like in Banff, Canada, actually, where I was, where unfortunately you wasn't with me that time. However, actually, you don't really need to go there to experience the vibe. Only the mountains, they are more prettier, I could say, because they're higher. But the city vibe is pretty same.
Kochanie, zobacz, this typical of the mountain house, mountain restaurant, and then check this. Oh, the
Selling the ser, many stuff, ice cream.
ice cream.
The products here are cheese and the wines.
Aha.
Very common.
Let's go
Find the coffee place.
there and show you how it is.
How about we have a kava here?
No, look at over there is busy.
Okay, let's go. Sayang, where do you feel like it more, here or in Zakopane?
Zakopane, if you compare Karpacz versus Zakopane, I prefer here, to be honest, because in Zakopane is more tourist oriented and then more host people, more, people like to show off how they are rich there in Zakopane. But here what I see is that mostly you can spot like locals coming here, like on the left, on the right side, which is
Locals.
the
Mostly local vibe, no?
No local vibe. And then Zakopane, you can spot many restaurant with halal mark. Here, I didn't spot any yet.
That's good.
Yeah, so you can still feel like
Local vibe.
Polish in Poland.
Let's have a coffee, but here more local. This is typical swojska chata, which is like a local restaurant with the local disco polo in it.
Polskie disco polo.
Lubisz polskie disco polo, co? You like it, lah? Alright. Oh, that's like a slide attraction.
Look at that.
No tak. It's actually nice. You should come here once during the winter, lah.
Nice.
Maybe. Let's see. Ale in winter zimno, sa? Cold. You don't like very cold, lah. You can also find the nice houses like this one, perhaps. This one is so many actually. Here is the not really like a coffee shops, but more like ice cream places. And also you can buy the cheese, many stuff actually. But it's not that crowded, overcrowded, considering this is July already, so middle of the summer actually in Poland.
Stolat, kochani. Stolat.
Dziękuję.
Smacznego.
We have coffee in Karpacz, no?
No, so we just stopped for coffee, and this is special day for you. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Lots of health, success. Yes.
Tak, but no singing, okay?
Stolat. It's nice coffee shop that I see, and then on the left, on the right side, it's quite busy. This is a place. Stolat. Kocham cię.
A ja ciebie też kocham.
No.
And you can treat this as my birthday cake, alright? People said this, your life must be boring in Poland, no? Yes, last week on Monday you were in the sea, today in the mountains, and next week you go to see Mama and the Mazury Lake, which is like also tourist destination during the summer. Doesn't look boring.
I told you, Poland has everything. Ocean, not ocean actually, Baltic Sea in the north, and then mountain, in Krakow and here in Karpacz. In Krakow they have like Zakopane, and here in Karpacz area, but I prefer Karpacz.
More local, no?
much better because I don't know. I like the more into local vibes, and then the lakes. So next week we will go to the lakes.
Tak, that's a thing. Enjoy that. It was very nice. Look at now with the sun and everything, the flowers and the environment like this one. Pretty enjoyable, no? Oh, Sayang, thank you for taking me for my birthday trip, Sayang. So lovely.
Oh my god. So yeah, this is actually our escape at the same time. Takohanya
No,
sweet.
tak.
It's great.
But actually, during the summer, because the days are long, we try to travel more, even though we have working both 6 days a week.
And then I think that it took us around 2 hours back.
3 hours
3 hours.
back. 3 hours back, approximately 3 hours. Depends on how many times we're gonna stop for pee sounds.
Thanks for watching and
See you next one. See ya. Take care.